Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to Parkway RV. I'm Austin, and today we're looking at this Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 40 CCK. This destination trailer has a length of 40 feet 6 inches, a width of 8 feet 6 inches, and a height of 12 feet 10 inches. Dry weight of 11,880 pounds with a payload capacity of 2,100. And folks, you'll notice I ran the slides in. That way we can get a better look at this on the outside without being too close to the other units. You get these patio style sliding glass doors with a massive awning covering this area, giving you a nice area you can enjoy rain or shine. And you do have a private door with a little peephole in your master bedroom. It has all the wiring for a backup camera. And this right here, folks, I think is a feature a lot of you will like. It has a 20-gallon water heater. This door right here, folks, leads underneath your master bedroom bed. It's got your shore cable and some other odds and ends packed away under here. Here we have your black tank flush, fresh water connection, and your city water connection. 50 amp shore cable, as well as your satellite. You can see this is for your living room and your bedroom, and then your cable would go into this one. And now, folks, I say we head inside, and I will let the slides out, and we'll take a look at this Cedar Creek Cottage. And now, folks, as we step inside, this main living space has opposing slides. Gives you a great amount of space to enjoy. I love the table it comes with. You have these nice theater seats. When you sit down, you push this forward button right here. That reclines your seat. And then right in the center here is a USB port to charge your devices while you're sitting here relaxing. You also have a large sofa in the very front of the destination trailer. And if you look underneath, it does fold out to form a bed. You have an excellent TV, which, if we unsecure it really quick, does pivot out. And now you can enjoy it from the kitchen while you're cooking. You also have onboard radio to enjoy. And here we have your fireplace. And you know, one thing I love about these electric fireplaces, at the touch of a button, it's already producing heat. You can change the colors as well, the brightness, and the temperature, of course. And now we come to your kitchen. This is an awesome setup. You have a stainless steel stove with 4 burners. You also get a large oven. You also have a stainless steel microwave with plenty of cabinet space all around. Another awesome feature of this kitchen, you have a dedicated pantry with plenty of pull-out drawers. Now here on your island, you have a 2-basin stainless steel sink. You've got a smaller, shallower one, perfect for utensils and cups. And then you have a larger, deeper one that's great for pots and pans. And of course, your faucet head is fully adjustable on this spring mount. This island also comes with plenty of pull-out drawers. And they are soft close, so I can even slam them. Or attempt to, I should say. And right here by the sink, perfect area for sponges and scrub brushes. Here we have your large fridge and freezer. Plenty of room for all your perishable items. And look how clean it is. Looks brand new. Over here you have plenty of countertop space and some 110 outlets and USB ports so you could charge devices or have a coffee pot or a crock pot over here. Plenty of cabinet space above it as well. And of course, there's even more cabinet space below it, with hidden trash cans and a hidden pull-out drawer. Here we have an area you can hang some coats. And directly above that we have all of your switches for your lights, turning on all your lights at the push of a button, as well as your tank monitoring system. And folks, this Cedar Creek has a fresh water tank of 76 gallons, a gray of 82 gallons, and a black of 41 gallons. Here we have your AC controls and your max air vent, which I have going now. Feels good outside, so I didn't want to throw the AC on, and this just helps get all the hot air out, keeps everything nice and comfortable, and the air circulating. Now we'll come to the bathroom. You get more accent lighting underneath your sink. That's a cool little design. I like this sink. It's a unique design. First time I've ever seen one like it. You also have another max air vent in here. And one of the main attractions to the bathroom, the shower. Built-in seat, triple pane tri-slide series. That way it gives you a much bigger opening than dual pane. And of course, a skylight to bring in plenty of natural light. There's also plenty of room for toiletries and towels. And a place to hang your towels or your bathrobes. And now, folks, we move on to the master bedroom. You have a king mattress with access to that storage bay I was talking about before. On either side of the bed, you have dual USB chargers, as well as individual reading lights, and overhead storage for personal items. At the foot of your bed, you do have a dresser, plenty of drawer space for all your clothing. You also have a TV, large vanity mirror, with plenty of closet space, and it also gets a light. You also have some overhead storage. Same with over here, plenty of overhead storage. Plenty of shelving space. And last but certainly not least, washer dryer prep. And folks, I think this Cedar Creek is an excellent destination trailer. I love the layout and the comforts it offers. I especially love the opposing slides that give this main living space such a large area to enjoy. And who could forget about the fully furnished kitchen? And you might be wondering, well, what does a unit like that go for? Typical listing price for a unit such as this is about $62,900. But our price, folks, $57,900. So if this Cedar Creek is the destination trailer of your dreams, you love everything it offers, you love the layout of it, please give a salesperson a call at 706-965-7929. Thank you, folks, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Folks, as always, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. It's always good having you here. I enjoy showing you what we have on the lot. You know, we're a family-owned dealership, been in the business for over 50 years with nearly 150 campers and RVs on the lot at any given time. We have one of the largest used camper and RV inventories on the East Coast, with new inventory arriving daily, which makes planning videos fun because I don't know what I want to look at next. All of our prices are haggle-free and fee-free. We believe in charging a fair price right from the start, and we don't charge any of the other fees that dealers just put in there for pure profit. We offer a 90-day free warranty on any of the units that are less than 10 years old. This warranty is upgradable should you choose to cover your new camper or RV for a longer term. We can also help arrange financing with approved credit. The units you're seeing on our lot are just as they came to us. We don't put them into service before they're purchased because we don't know how long they may sit on our lot before finding a new home. Once the unit is paid for in full, we put it in line for service, as we want the unit fresh out of service and ready for its new owner. Keep in mind, with the volume of coaches and campers we do, there is a lead time to go through service. Just check in with your salesperson for that current time. There is no additional cost to you no matter what we have to repair or replace. On the day of your scheduled pickup, our sales staff will give you a walkthrough education to go over the operation of your camper. Also, we can help arrange delivery. In addition, you will receive over 30 days of free camping at select campgrounds and a starter kit with freshwater hose, blackwater hose, toilet paper, and chemicals for your black tank. Everything for you to hit the road and start making memories. If what you've seen in the video is right for you, give us a call at 706-965-7929. Until then, folks, thank you for joining me and have a good one.